In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L11050 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter and use this adjustment program, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable your antivirus for a while, you can download this resetter. Okay, after you download the file, get the link on pinned comment. After you download the file, you can just right click and extract all. This is to extract the programs. Open the resetter folder after that. And you need to run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need to input the password. Password is already in the txt file here. Okay. Then you need to select particular adjustment mode button here. And select was ink pad counter and click OK. Okay, in here you need just to tick platen pad counter and the ink system pad counter. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialize button. After the resetter works, you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you encounter error here, you can try to repeat the resetting process. Okay, then try using another USB port available on your computers. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson L11050 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.